Okay guys, so today's video will be on how to install an sj4000 camera on a motorcycle helmet. And the camera, it's not really the camera is easy to install, but I'll install the external microphone because if you have seen my previous video, we've been hacking this camera to have an external microphone plug. We got here right now external microphone plug, see, and we have a microphone that connects there, see. And now in this video I'll be installing it on my helmet, which I have here. And this is pretty cool to make moto videos where you wanna talk and you know, these are my gloves. And okay, this is the helmet. This is the helmet I have. And okay, so to install the camera here, let me get all the bits and pieces. I think I had here a piece of Velcro. This was for a different kind of cam, but I'll remove it now as I'm not gonna use that cam here no more. So this one comes off, and this is the same as this camera. It's pretty much the same as a GoPro, and we basically, other way around, we basically wanted to stay around here, I think. So what bits and pieces we'll have to use? I guess we'll have to use one of these. We'll have to use one of these here. This is not angled. Nope. We need the angled one, which is this one, the red one. This is the angled one for the helmet. This one was for the top. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. I think we'll get this one here. The part we need is this one. This one, and we'll remove this one from here. Remove this one, and then take this off. So we're gonna have this one with that one, and that's gonna stick like this on the side. And then we want the camera pointing to the front. So what we will need is there's one here, this one, which is sideways. That will go like this and hold the camera in place. So let me get that one. Okay, so these are more or less the bits we're gonna need to put it there. we'll have this one hanging on the side, and then we'll have another one like an extension that connects here, and then we'll have the other one that turns the other way around to keep the camera pointing to the front. So first thing I'll do is I'll glue this here in place, and it's gonna be more or less around here where it's standing right now. Okay, so I'm gonna glue this here. Remove this. And I want to make sure I get this straight. And it's not too crooked. Okay, so this is where we'll have it, and then the glasses will go up on that helmet. I cannot do it differently because that one helmet is a bit, yeah, it'll go anyway. Yeah, it will have to stay like this because this part here is not straight. I cannot glue it underneath, so that will go like that there, and then we'll attach. It would be nice if I could use only this one, but it won't be enough, because if I use only this one, the camera will hit the helmet. Let me see. It will not be straight, see? It's no good. So I'll have to use an extension, which is this small one. I'll use a small extension there, and then so many stuff there, and that one there. Okay, but at least like this we can get it where we want it, pointing to the front. See, and there you go. That's how you get it set on the side of the helmet. And if for some reason we think it is not straight, we can put it any way we like it. See? And also, if we want to use the camera without this casing, we can also use it by itself. If it's a sunny day, we can use it with this one. We'll simply put this one here and place it here. And just fit the camera. And like this we can connect our microphone. Let's say it's a sunny day and you want to use it only like that without the protective cover. That's the way to get it. Then for the microphone, let me remove all this gear away from here, because this is done, pretty much done already. So we'll remove this from here. And now for the microphone. Okay, this is the inside of the helmet. We'll place the microphone here and bring the wire around. So this will be placed here. This will be placed here inside. And then the wire, this is gonna go behind the sponge and come out here. And it will come out here on the back. And that's it. Not sure if you can see it. See? Now I'm gonna put another piece of Velcro here. It goes upon this and one here, and the microphone will be in place. The wire goes behind here and exits. Will exit on this side. Now come out there. And this is pretty much what we've been doing. We got Velcro here on this side holding the wire. We got another piece here, and I'm gonna put this other piece upon, and that will keep me the microphone in place. Yep, that's it. Two pieces of Velcro, one microphone in place inside the helmet. Now the wire comes all the way around this side. The wire comes this side, goes down here and goes inside the helmet. The excess wire goes inside under the sponge, and you get this part out. See, get this part out. You have the microphone in place. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna rattle around because your head works as a stabilizer your neck. And that's how you get it. Now we'll simply, now that we got the microphone installed inside the helmet, pointing our mouth, can you see it? There. We'll install the camera here. Install the camera. We're gonna tighten everything down. This one tight. This one tight. And they're all pretty tight. And then this comes off this side and plugs here. You can actually take it behind and away we go. Nice. And that's pretty much what we get for the camera with the microphone inside. Oh, sorry. That's what we get for the helmet with an internal microphone inside the helmet. Too bad I cannot ride the pit bike on the street because the cops will pick on me. It's not legal. Let's do a test.